Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at one of the most powerful and futuristic cleaning systems out right now, the NARWAL Flow 2 robot vacuum and mop combo. And honestly, this thing is on a completely different level. Let's start with the headline feature: 31,000 PA suction power. Yes, you heard that right. This is far beyond what most robot vacuums offer, meaning it can handle deep carpet cleaning, stubborn debris, and pet hair without breaking a sweat. It's built for serious performance, not just light daily cleaning. Now, what really sets this apart is the FlowWash self-cleaning mop system. Unlike basic mops, this one actively washes itself while cleaning, so you're not spreading dirty water across your floors. It keeps the mop fresh in real time, giving you a much more hygienic clean. And it gets even better with the 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing and drying system. That high temperature helps break down tough stains, kill bacteria, and ensures your mop is fully sanitized and dried after every session. This is something you usually only see in premium cleaning systems. The design is also tangle-free, which means no more dealing with hair wrapped around brushes. If you have pets or long hair at home, this feature alone is a game changer and saves you tons of maintenance time. Navigation is powered by advanced AI object recognition. The robot can detect and avoid obstacles like cables, shoes, and furniture with high precision, making cleaning smoother and more efficient without constant interruptions. And of course, it comes with a fully automated base station. It handles self-emptying, water refilling, mop washing, and drying all automatically. So once it's set up, you barely have to touch it. You also get full app control, letting you schedule cleanings, set zones, customize cleaning intensity, and monitor everything in real time. So overall, the NARWAL Flow 2 isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a complete, high-end cleaning system designed for people who want maximum performance with minimum effort. If you want to take your home cleaning to the next level, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.